National Sports Day. Why do we celebrate National Sports Day? Celebrating National Sports Day in fond memory of the Wizard of Hockey, Major Dhyan Chand, on his birth anniversary. Do you know about Major Dhyan Chand? National Sports Day in India is celebrated on August 29. This day marks the birthday of Dhyan Chand, the hockey player who won gold medals for India in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. This day is celebrated by organizing friendly matches between different Indian hockey teams at the Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi, which was constructed in the respect and honor of Dhyan Chand. Awards and achievements. For his extraordinary services to the nation, the Government of India celebrates Dhyan Chand's birthday as National Sports Day. The Indian Postal Service issued a postage stamp in his memory, and the Dhyan Chand National Stadium at New Delhi has been named after him. He was honored by the Padma Bhushan Award by the Government of India in the year 1936. Early domestic career. In the year 1922, Dhyan Chand joined the Punjab Regiment as a sepoy. He aged just 16 years when he joined army. Major Bhole Tiwari of Brahmin Regiment taught him the basics of the game. Pankaj Gupta was the first coach of Dhyan Chand. He was promoted to lieutenant rank in 1937. He retired from Indian Army in 1956 at the age of 51. He was with the rank of major at the time of retirement. When was National Sports Day first celebrated in India? National Sports Day was included in the list of celebratory days in India for the first time in 2012. Importance of sports. First, reach or maintain a healthy weight. Second, strengthen bones and muscles. Third, improve heart and lung function. Fourth, sleep better. Fifth, feel happier.
Good morning. I'm Anali Moide, your reporter of the day. Here's the campus news of the week. Sports Week was celebrated in the school from 23rd to 28th August 2021. Various sports events were organized for the students during the week. The students participated in the event with great zest, exhibiting their interest and enthusiasm for sports. An online inter-school competition Sportium was organized on 26th August 2021 in tune with the theme Excel to Exceed. More than 30 schools from all over India took part in Sportium. Variety of online competitions were organized in the event like Balance of Life, Shuttle Shunting, Walk and Wellness, Skip to Win, Swifty Pass, Limitless Flight. The school principal Dr. Neeru Talwar congratulated everyone for their enthusiastic participation and wished everyone a very happy National Sports Day. Thank you.
तेरा जुनून रे सुल्तान सीने में तेरे आग पानी आदि है मेहनत की डोरी हौसलों से बांधी है। सीने में तेरे आग पानी आधी है, मेहनत की डोरी हौसलों से बांधी है पर्वत भी तू ही और तू ही पत्थर है, जो चाहे तू वो भी बन जाए, तेरी मर्जी है आंसू और पसीना, अरे है वो दोनों पानी पर मोड़ के रख दे दोनों ही तूफान। चोट हो कितनी गहरी या ठेस जिगर में ठहरी, तो जज्बा कितना जहरी है ये मार। से जुनूबी तुझको पता है, तुझ में छुपा है इसको ले उसको देख पहचान। तेरा इरादा तुझसे भी ज्यादा उसको पता है, जो रास्ता है तू इतना ले अब मान। वो दिल में है तेरे तू उसकी नजरों में, हाय चल हद से आ गए, चाहा जो तूने वो पाले, चल बन जा रे सुल्तान। सात आसमां चीरे अब सात समंदर पीले, चल सात दिलों में कर दे ये ऐलान। खून में तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून, खून में तेरे मिट्टी मिट्टी में तेरा खून, ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती बीच में तेरा जुनून। सात आसमां चीरे अब सात समंदर पीले, चल सात सुरों में कर दे ये ऐलान। हिम्मत है दोनों को और जुर्रत है तो बातों, रे आज बतेरी है रखती है क्या।
Good afternoon. Happy National Sports Day. For a sound, mental, healthy mind, we required to be physically fit and strong. Fitness of body comes through games, which are an integral part of a wider umbrella labeled under sports. To celebrate the National Sports Day, the school had celebrated the richness of sports through an online inter-school competition, Sportium, emphasizing on the importance of games in a student's life, especially designed with the 5S as of sports as our theme. The 5S as of sports: stamina, speed, strength, skill, and spirit. The students participated in the event with great zest, exhibiting their interest and enthusiasm for sports. Sports make our life interesting, teach us to work hard, and push our limits to reach a new heights. Sport teach discipline, respect, friendship, leadership, resilience, teamwork, and help us to overcome adversity. Playing one sport or the other is a crucial part of a student's growth and development. Through sports, the aim is not only to improve students' physical ability, but also help them learn a sense of good sportsmanship and encourage healthy competition spirit among all. As a teacher, I would like to request you to all please adopt with your daily activities. This is help in the overall development of itself. Thank you.